Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video lecture, I will guide you for cantilever beam steel reinforcement construction. That is simply supported beam or floor beam. You can see this is also floor beam. I will guide you for cantilever beam which length is 5 feet. This is cantilever slab. On the top of this they will provide steel reinforcement. That one is also cantilever beam which length is 5 feet. Size of this cantilever beam is 18 by 12 inches. You can see clearly. We have 4 steel rods at the bottom and 3 at the top. Dia is 16 mm. They did the design of this cantilever beam same like simply supported beam. So this is one of the big mistake. Second, guys, you can see they didn't provide any development length at the end of this cantilever beam. So this is the second mistake. You can see, guys, 3 steel rods at the bottom, 3 at the top. Stirrup dia is 8 mm. Remember, guys, cantilever beam steel reinforcement design is changed from the simply supported beam, but they did the same design. That's why, because they don't know about the steel structural design. Therefore, in cantilever beam we don't have any support or column at the end of this beam. So therefore the design should be changed. In upper portion of cantilever beam we should provide maximum numbers of steel reinforcement compared to its bottom, because this is the opposite design of simply supported beam. That's why, because on the top of this we applied the parapet wall, or also we can use the live load on. As you can see, this is the end of the beam, but you can't see any development length from upper portion of this beam or from lower portion of this beam. The spacing is about 5 inches. You can see the third mistake is hooks are bent on 90 degree. It should be provided on 135 degree. In cantilever beam, extra steel rods should be provided at the upper portion of this beam, but they didn't provide. They did a simply design of this cantilever beam. Next, guys, the cantilever beam end thickness should be minimum compared to at starting point. Guys, you can see, but here the depth is same, which is 18 inches, width is 12 inches. They used here 6 steel rods. You can see this is simply supported beam. They used extra steel rods. Like this, they should provide extra steel rods also in cantilever beam, because that is very important to provide, because on the top of cantilever beam we are providing the cantilever slab. So therefore it's important to do the proper steel structural design. You can see the shuttering. On the top of this they will provide the steel reinforcement with the spacing of 4 by 4 inches. You can see this is floor beam construction. They used here 60 grade steel rods. This is a short video, but very important to know about the technical terms of steel reinforcement practically. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.